we're diving into the world of classic American cars that exude style, power, and nostalgia. But beware, because owning one of these beauties can leave your wallet feeling a bit light. Buckle up as we reveal the 3 classic American cars that'll bankrupt you through repairs and maintenance. Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts! Have you ever dreamed of owning an iconic American classic? Well, we're about to unveil the hidden costs that come with these timeless treasures. Let's get started. First up, we have the legendary '57 Chevy Bel Air. With its sleek lines and chrome accents, it's hard to resist its charm. However, beneath that stunning exterior lies a beast that can devour your bank account. The '57 Bel Air may be a symbol of American automotive history, but finding replacement parts can be a costly treasure hunt. From the engine to the suspension, repairs and maintenance can easily break the bank. So, before you drive this beauty home, make sure your pockets can handle the price tag of keeping it on the road. Next on our list is the iconic Ford Mustang. This muscle car has been an American symbol of power and freedom for generations. But here's the catch: the Mustang's allure can come at a high price. The Mustang's powerful engine demands regular maintenance, and finding a skilled mechanic who can handle its intricacies can be a challenge. Additionally, the thirst for fuel that this beast possesses can put a significant dent in your budget. So, if you're planning to unleash the Mustang's raw power, prepare yourself for some costly pit stops along the way. Last but not least, we have the timeless Chevrolet Corvette. Its sleek design and exhilarating performance make it a dream car for many. But this dream can quickly turn into a nightmare for your finances. The Corvette owner once said, owning a Corvette means constantly battling with the repair costs of its advanced technology and specialized parts. From electrical issues to high-performance tires, maintaining a Corvette is no small feat. So be prepared to invest both time and money to keep this American icon roaring. There you have it, folks. These classic American cars may be the epitome of style and nostalgia, but they can also be a drain on your wallet. Owning one is a true labor of love, requiring deep pockets and a willingness to invest in the journey. Remember, car enthusiasts, before you dive headfirst into owning a classic American car, do your research, budget wisely, and be prepared for the ride of a lifetime, both on the road and in your bank account. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and join our community of car lovers. And don't forget to share your own classic car experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy motoring!